79 at the same time. And there are a lot of questions that we have to ask and rethought. We need to do a lot of rethinking.
Bomba.
To the board, the principal and staff of the Nasinu Secondary School, members of the Old Scholars Association, members of the Parents and Teachers Association, Turane Taltala, friends of the schools and students, Bula Binaka, and a very good morning to you all. I'm delighted to be here this morning to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the Nasinu Secondary School. It is my honor to be here with you all to celebrate the legacy of this wonderful institution that has provided so many of our fellow Fijians with quality educations over the past 35 years. Since 1980, the Nasinu Secondary School has provided opportunities not only for the students of this vibrant and populated area of the country, but from maritime and rural communities further afield. The establishment of the school was intended to grant the students the same access to education and opportunity as any other Fijian, to ensure that where they grew up did not limit their options in life. This noble legacy fits well with my own belief that no matter where you live in Fiji, you are entitled to all the opportunities other Fijians enjoy. You will have heard me say many times before that I will not rest until every Fijian, no matter where they live, enjoy the same level of access to basic services. And the Nasinu Secondary School has and will continue to be an important part of making that a reality. Many of the students at the school have traveled far from home in the pursuit of a better education and a better life. That is a difficult journey filled with obstacles. However, Nasinu Secondary School has made that journey easier by truly becoming a home away from home for its students. It isn't only about receiving an education in the classroom. It is also about the support that the school community provides. And that is what truly makes it such a special place. Throughout its history, I've been told Nasinu Secondary School has been constantly evolving. In 1980, its total enrollment stood at 120 students. Today, I understand the student roll stands at over 895, with 49 teachers and 17 support staff. Since 1996, Nasinu has also hosted students from other Pacific islands, offering our region valuable educational opportunities and enriching the cultural experiences of everyone. This year we have 34 Pacific Island students in Nasinu, 21 from Nauru, 9 from Tuvalu, 1 from PNG, and 3 from Vanuatu. So Nasinu Secondary School has not only survived the past 35 years, it has thrived. While the enrollment has increased and the school has moved with the times, its central mission to provide a quality education for all has remained unchanged. As the school has changed, so has the larger Nasinu community. Once little more than a settlement, it is now the most populated corridor in Fiji. It has expanded into a successful, diverse community with tens of thousands of residents. In fact, about 200,000, as I mentioned yesterday. The Nasinu Secondary School has helped keep this growing population educated and qualified to contribute to their growing community and the nation. The demands of this expansion has sometimes brought challenges and difficulties, but the Nasinu Secondary School has overcome these challenges every step of the way. In 2012, when asked by the Ministry of Education to commence Form 3 studies, I'm pleased to say that the school stepped up to the plate enthusiastically. With no expansion to its existing staff and facilities, the school was able to continue educating its existing students effectively and also cope with the sudden influx of new students. As well as meeting these challenges, the Nasinu Secondary School has maintained its high standard in the Fijian education system. In the last year, Fiji's 7th form examination, the student pass rate was a highly commendable 87%. Congratulations. And the school continues to encourage a culture of excellence with our children's future as its priority. The achievements of any school are measured by the quality of its graduates, and those of Nasinu are making their mark in every facet of public life. As I said, they include, as you see this morning, the 2 deputy police commissioners, Skeli Huniwanga and Rusiati Tunrabu, who have plotted in the back of this 35th anniversary the downfall of the military in the Schooner Bowl. The Permanent Secretary of Defense and Immigration, Nosia Dawaru, the Commissioner Western, Manasa Taidengmbao, Lieutenant Colonel Litea Sirwi Ratu of the RFMF, the Director of Rehabilitation for Correction Services, and the Chief Economic Planning Officer in the Ministry of Finance, Asinate Moe Lalau, to name but a few. But there are many other people making a distinguished contribution to our national life who have come out of secondary school, as well as a host of impressive young people just starting out their careers. The reigning Miss Hibiscus, Mary Fall, is also a proud student of Nasinu. Miss Fall spent 3 years of her secondary education in Nasinu, where she was head girl in 2014 and dux of the school. She continues to be a proud ambassador for Nasinu Secondary, as well as a symbol of Fijian academic excellence. All of Nasinu's alumni will acknowledge that they owe their places in life to the lessons they were taught here. And Fiji is grateful for the wonderful men and women who spent their formative years at Nasinu and have made significant contributions to our nation. To the current student body, the young men and girls, young men and women, you all have the potential to become leaders in politics, leaders in business, leaders in civil society. Your predecessors have worked hard and achieved great things, and so can you. But it starts with working hard at school. The Nasinu Secondary School can give you some of the tools you need in life, but it is ultimately up to you to make the opportunities you've been given. I encourage you all to take advantage of the free education my government has given you. Take advantage of the scholarships and loans available to continue your education beyond secondary school. Take advantage of the opportunities offered by the new Fiji. Unleash the great potential that lies within every one of you. Set your sights on one day helping to take responsibility for leading our nation, whether it is in government, the private sector, or in any other facet of national life. It all begins here in Nasinu. And I ask you to work hard as you can to achieve your own dreams and contribute to our collective dream of making Fiji great. Thank you again for this wonderful welcome and wonderful opportunity you have given me, and I wish the Nasinu Secondary School many more years of success. Congratulations again on the 35th anniversary, and enjoy the rest of the festivities. God bless you all. Naka.
Location Reading Hall, Tembur sana tengah.
Fiji itu benar Fiji ya. Yes, ini ya Pak.
Tu belah.
Nama.
Ini komputer.
Teacher, sir.
internet mo?
Yes, sir.
Iya sa itulong na bago sa ako sa radio na
Iya.
sa lilin na Pasko.
Ano talaga